In the previous video, we have seen how the SIFT is working in let's see in a theory part. Now we will see if you see now these images here, and we have seen that the SIFT algorithm can detect the region, let's see the similar region, and can match, let's see, use for matching some key points. Now I have this image. I will now prove that this image is the same as this one here, even if after the rotation. So let me just read, I mean, right, run this code. And as you can see here, for instance, I'm reading the image, converted to the grayscale. This is the object of creating SIFT. And here we can see detect and compute the key points, and also the descriptors. And if you see now the key points, let me just close. Yeah, this is the key points. You can see somehow extracting some points from here and also from this text. You can see now this one here. Now, let me just close it because to run the rest of the program, let's see before this. Now we have drew the key points. Now the next time is I'm reading two images here, you can see, and convert of course these to grayscale images. Now extract the key points and descriptors for each image here. You can see here 1, 2. Now we have applied this best matcher, which is calculating the distance between the descriptor. So you have, for instance, here okay. If you have, for instance, here 10 descriptors, and here, for instance, 10, the distance will be from the first one to the rest of the descriptors here, and etc. So it's heavy computation. And now you can see here, this is the result. Maybe it's somehow crowded, but you can see, for instance, this line here, it's the blue line here, and it's pointing to the same point here. And select any other line, it will be the same. For instance, A, it's this one here. You can see it's pointing to the same point. So that's it. It's somehow SIFT is a proof that it's used for image matching and also detecting the features. And sometimes in the robotics, sometimes they need to detect some part of the images if it's there, so then the robot can, for instance, put the panting there, or maybe screw or anything. So matching is working perfectly with the SIFT, and there are also some other algorithms we will have to see how it's working. I think that's it for today, and thanks for watching. See you next time.